Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to do an install video on a aluminum windscreen on my 2021 Yamaha Mt-07. So I'm sure you guys have obviously seen this bike before if you're watching this video, but I'll just do a quick walk around of my particular bike here. Haven't done too much to it, but I have Walnut Tech frame sliders, front fork sliders, and rear slider, and tucked fender eliminator. No turn signals, but over the winter I'm going to get a TST integrated tail light. I have 2,700 kilometers almost on this bike. Had it for about a month and a half now. So this is everything that comes in the box. There's the windscreen itself, bracket for each side, 2 grommets go inside to mount the actual windscreen to the brackets. And it comes with different hardware, but it doesn't look like the original hardware that's on here is going to fit. So we'll have to take a look at that. Okay, so for the first step, I'm going to remove one side of these to attach the bracket. And there you are, a 4mm Allen key. So once you go ahead and remove those screws, there's going to be a rubber washer and a steel washer on the top. I'm going to go ahead and reuse those. Okay, now once you get both brackets installed, you're going to want to go ahead and pop these bad boys in the openings here to give you a spot to screw in the actual windscreen itself. So this windscreen came with 2 sets of bolts. I'm actually going to use the smaller ones. These ones were meant to replace the OEM ones, but they're pretty skimpy looking, so I'm going to stick with the OEM bolts on there because I had no problem getting them on. So for these final bolts, it's going to be a 2.5mm Allen key, and you're always going to want to make sure that you get each one lined up and loose before you tighten one down all the way, just to have a little bit of adjustment to get it all lined up. And that's it, guys. Only took about 10 minutes. Only need a 4mm Allen key and a 2.5mm Allen key. Really cleans up the front of the bike, in my opinion. I don't think it's going to really offer any wind protection, but this is more of a cosmetic upgrade in my scenario here. So thanks for watching. Click like and subscribe, and I'll have some more upgrades for this bike shortly.